Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Mailchimp API workflows with automation, detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up Mailchimp API workflows with automation, start by logging into your Mailchimp account. Navigate to the account section from the profile icon at the bottom left. Select extras from the drop-down menu, then choose API keys. Click on Create a key if you don't have an existing key. Once your key is generated, copy it to your clipboard. Now, open your preferred platform or programming environment where you will be using the Mailchimp API. Install any necessary libraries for making API requests, such as curl or a language-specific library like requests in Python. Next, familiarize yourself with the Mailchimp API documentation. Identify the specific endpoints that you will need for your workflow. To create an automation, first set up your audience in Mailchimp if you haven't already. Go to the Audience tab and select your audience. Now, navigate to the Automations tab within Mailchimp. Choose the type of automation you'd like to set up, such as a welcome series or abandoned cart. Click on Create to start building your automation workflow. For each trigger, set conditions that dictate how your automation will behave. Add the relevant actions that follow each trigger. Test each step of your workflow before going live. After testing, ensure your automation is turned on. Monitor the performance of your automations in the reports section. Adjust your strategy based on the results you gather. Continue refining your workflows to maximize engagement and effectiveness. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.